Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can open files from your Google Drive account really quickly. So let us get started. Now you probably know, and if you're a frequent user of Google Drive, you probably already know that you can store files and folders in your Google Drive, and from there, for example, share them with your contacts or download them on your device to open them from there, like videos or images, photos, documents, PDFs, letters, and so on and so forth. But did you know that you can open at least some of these files also here on Google Drive and via associated Google apps? Let me show you how to do that. Head over to your Google Drive account. Let's say, let me head over to that My Drive overview here, and let me open, just for the sake of this tutorial, a document like that, your annual budget. So it all depends on the file type, guys. For example, if you open a document like this, it may be opened, if you hover a mouse over it, you may be opened, for example, via Google Sheets. So if you're already logged in with your Google account here on Google Drive, if you double click on the given file will be automatically opened through your Google Sheets account, as you can see, so that you now may, for example, edit it and so on and so forth. Or if that's an image or photo, let me look for one, for example, like that one here, for example, double click on it to open it. And after that, you will see an overview or a thumbnail of the given photo here via Google Drive. So you don't even get redirected to Google Photos. You can access the given photo image if it's in JPEG format, for example, already here on Google Drive. Just bear in mind, guys, that depending on the file type, your editing and customization options will be limited here in Google Drive, because Google Drive is basically and obviously not a photo editing software. So if you'd like to edit that photo, rotate it, flip it, customize it, you will need to open it via Google Photos. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.